Alright, so I've got the front door installed now. Slides up and down real easy. But yeah, once it's up, that allows a ton more airflow in there. I do have this little wrench over here to prop it up with. I tossed a few more logs in there and propped it up with the wrench. Pretty much smokeless. There's not. Yeah, actually, I don't see any smoke coming out of this thing. Now, having the front door open like that does change the airflow dynamics. Technically, it makes it so that there's much more airflow, like 3 or 4 times the amount of airflow that the thing is supposed to have. But that's okay. Seems to do just fine with it. The quick start guide for the laundry machine will eventually burn off. There are some instructions for this. First, you want to add detergent, and you want to drop your clothes in here. I just wanted to document that, since this is the last time we'll probably ever see it. Once it really starts ripping, that's when you'll start seeing jets of fire come out of those air intakes. The new ductwork too. Yeah, look at that. Definitely some airflow and flames happening out there. Okay, that was sort of to be expected. Let's get the headlamp out. I'm trying to burn some of these in half, make them small enough to fit. This guy was very wet when I put it in there. It's gotten smaller. Alright, so at this point I've decided to remove the door altogether. Fire's going plenty good enough now. Yeah, we lost the quick start directions. That's a shame. But it's looking pretty good. Yeah, I think I'm quite pleased with the results on this one. There's quite a few jagged edges around there. I'm going to sand those off or file them off or something. You can't really see the fire jets coming out from the air intakes, but every once in a while they show up. Yeah, I think it's a pretty good fire pit.